Hi and welcome back to Captivating Beauties. If you're new here, subscribe. That way you can become part of the beauty group and I can call you my beauties. So let's get into it. I want to let you know what I use to prime up my face, which is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream and this Fourth Rays Cactus Serum. I combined them both, and I also used, wherever it is, this Brow Conditioning Primer by Benefit. I use this too. And if you want to see up close and possibly buy anything that I use here, I will leave it down below, so make sure you check that out. And let's get right to the look. So today's look, I'm going for something casual, no eyeshadow or like any heavy makeup or anything like that. I'm just going to throw on a few things, cover up whatever I want to cover up, and just work on my eyeliner and maybe mascara. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my foundation. I'm going to apply it. It is Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Yes, I read the entire bottle so you can understand. Okay, so this is the container it looks like, and the color I'm using is 318. It's skin tone medium dark, undertone natural olive. It's made in Belgium if you wanted to know all that. There you go. But yeah, we're just gonna apply a little bit, not a lot, just like a pea-sized on your little on your little beauty blender. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna go in with Precisely My Brow by Benefit. It is my color is 6, like the number 6, of course, because 6 is a number. Okay, I'm gonna just stop rambling now, and we're gonna apply it to the eyebrows. Make sure just to fill in those light areas, and yeah. So now my eyebrows are done. I'm going to highlight them real quick with this also Highbrow by Benefit too. It's a highlighter thing. I'm not going to show you because I aggressively get close to the camera. I have issues. So now going in with my contour for under my eyes and I think above my brows, because to define it pretty much. I don't know what that motion was, so don't ask me. I really don't know. It is by Beauty Concepts. It's this contour thing. You must recognize it from like the other videos that I've done. Yeah, okay. So now that we're done with all that, I'm gonna go in and just put on some brow setter to keep my brows in place and not get worn out over time and like the usage and all that stuff. I feel like there's something in my eye. But anyway, moving on to that, I'm just going to skip past that part because it's just a clear brow gel that I'll leave down below so if you want to see that. So let's get right into our eyeliner. So now moving on to our eyeliner. In order for me to do eyeliner sometimes I just go right through it and who cares. But how I've learned to do it is just put little dots on how far you want it on both sides. Make sure that they're like nice and even, and then just connect the dots. We can all play connect the dots, right? Like that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dots to where it connects and then dots down, just so you can get a basic idea of where you want the wing to be.
Three hours later.
So now that we're done with our eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this blush by Kaija, I think is how you pronounce it. Little heart blush. It's like a stamp thing. You just tap it in and put it like along like the upper part of your cheek. That's where I like to put my blush, just so if you know. So I'm going to put my blush up here, and then I'm going to go in with, I'll show you the highlighter palette. The highlighter palette that I'm using is Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Palette. Looks like this. And it has all these very beautiful colors. So I'm going to use, I think for my highlight, I'm going to use, there's a lot of highlight powder on here, but I'm going to use this very gold one right here. And we're going to just apply it to up here, above my lip, I think, and on the nose, just a little bit. Give it a little shine. So now I'm going to go in with my stuff, and you can just watch how I apply it if you want, or just, you know, mimic if you want. So, because like I said, like I say, it's your face, do what you want. If you don't like how I'm doing like my eyeliner, change it up, do it your own way. I'm not going to force anything on you guys. So now that we're done with the cheeks, moving on to the highlighter, and I will show you how I apply it, which is up here on both sides and a little bit on the nose. So now that we're done with the highlighter, I'm not going to go in with my contour how I normally do, like to highlight the cheekbones. I'm just going to go right into the spray that I'm going to be using today because I'm pretty much done with the look. It's not that much. This is probably going to be a very short video. The setter that I'm using is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist Ultra Fine thing. It looks like this. This is the basic bottle that it's in. It smells like watermelon, I'd presume. I mean, I know, but okay. So we're just gonna that's way more than I probably should have did, but I did it anyway. So now we're done with that. I can pretty much taste the watermelon now, but that's okay. If you don't see tomorrow's video, you know why. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna finish with the Cab lip oil that I normally use. It is the Rum Punch one, and if you don't know, that's because you're probably not a beauty yet, so don't forget to subscribe. That way you know what I like and recommend what you like, and I'll try it. Who knows? So now we're done with all of that. Oh, I had a little watermelon right there. Okay. So, I seen a bird. So, with that being all done, I think I'm gonna leave my hair up in this like nice little ponytail. I might, but when I take photos, it's probably gonna be down. So thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, like it. And if you want to see another video like that, I will leave a title card in a minute. And then I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.